Hello, batchmates. Greetings from Europe. Nandito ako ngayon sa Netherlands. Christmas break. Next week, balik na naman tayo sa klase. Parang kahapon lang yata tayo nag-graduate sa atin ngayon. I remember we were full of hopes and dreams. At the same time, we do had our own anxieties kung saan kayo tayo dadalhin ng panahon. Ngayon, 25 years na. Parang bilis ng panahon. Hindi nga natin nakalain na may narating na rin tayo. At naabot natin ang ating mga plano sa buhay kahit paano. Dati kilala natin sarili, tinatawag natin ang isa't isa na bilang apelyedo, Masangkay, Mamon, Angispina, Angeles, Ugis, Arlias, Pilamor, Piatos, Gumban, Bahinting, Tulio at Luwa. Pero ngayon, kilala na tayo ng iba na bilang Sir, Ma'am, Doktor, Engineer, Captain, Professor, Madam, Father, at iba pa. But as years goes by, among ourselves, we know that we don't remain as our family names or professions, but as persons and friends, barkada, nagiging kumare, kumpare, nagtatawagan na tayo ngayon ng Florio, Beng, Bing, Bal, Cecil, Ray, Ana, Gavin, Janet, at iba pa. Ang iba nga naging iisa na ang apelyedo. Katulad ng Kumban at Gualberto. Well, I'm sure today is a good time for us not only to reminisce our past, to be together again, at kamustahan, but most of all, to renew our hopes and dreams in life for our family, for our church, and for our country. Yeah, tanggapin na natin. Nasa midlife na tayo. May edad na rin tayo, Chongs. Lumalaki na yung mga bata. Tumatanda na ating mga parents. Luminipis na ang mga buhok natin. Lumalaki na yung mga tiyan. Pero it does not mean na we live in mid-earth like the Lord of the Rings. We have done our part so far and still doing our part. But let us not be complacent and be resigned, or we can still do a lot. We can still do a lot by building our future generations. Sabi nga, young men, young people dream dreams. Wise people see visions. Dumaan na tayo ng panahon na we were dreaming dreams. Now, we are getting wiser in age. Panahon na to see visions and build the next generations by being mentors to our growing children. So, in whatever professions we are in, let us be authentic agents of change, like a true-blooded Athenians. Let us continue to do great things for the greater glory of God. Ad majorem Dei gloriam. Well, let me say this. I am proud of who we are now, so far, and I still hope for the best. I am proud of you now, and of having been part of you and of Ateneo. Enjoy the day, enjoy the camaraderie with festive mood and deep gratitude to our Lord. A wise man once prayed, for all that has been, thanks. For all that will be, yes. My humble blessings to you all. God bless and enjoy the day. Ciao.